Imagine your name on the engineering team that built the next Twitter, systems that handle millions of concurrent users without breaking a sweat. This course, Hands-on Distributed Systems Engineering in Java, takes you from writing tutorials to shipping production systems at hyperscale, featuring 45 lessons, 5 project phases, and building the real platform called Skyline. Most Java courses teach syntax, but production demands systems thinking. Legacy thread models can't handle modern concurrency. Hello World apps won't get you hired. Production needs complex consensus and tuning. Furthermore, most course content is obsolete, as Java 2026 rewrote the rules with Project Loom and FFM API. The 2026 Java Renaissance is a defining moment. Engineers who miss this write complex reactive code, get passed over for senior roles, and fall behind. Engineers who take this course learn to write simple, scalable code, design resilient systems, own the production conversation, and position themselves for senior and architect roles now. The solution is hands-on distributed systems engineering in Java. You will build Skyline, a production-grade Twitter-scale social platform from scratch. This involves 45 lessons across 5 scaling phases, covering concepts, implementation labs, and troubleshooting sessions. You will use the modern Java 2026 stack, targeting 1 M+ requests per second and 99.999% uptime. You will learn from engineers who have shipped at scale. Our instruction is battle-tested, built on hard-earned production wisdom, not academic theory. You will gain deep expertise in JVM internals, covering topics like clock drift, allocation stalls, and chaos engineering. There is zero Hello World padding. Every lesson addresses a real production bottleneck. The course is structured around 5 production phases. Starting with the Skyline MVP for 1K users, you progress to regional scale, production hyperscale for 1 M+ users, performance lab optimization, and finally, SRE excellence, achieving 99.999% uptime. Each phase introduces new, real-world engineering challenges. This is the architecture you will build and understand end-to-end. Skyline features microservices like Tweet Service and Timeline Service, connected via Apache Kafka. It uses sharded PostgreSQL, Redis caching, Elasticsearch, and S3, all monitored with Prometheus and Grafana, meeting targets of 1 M plus RPS and P99 latency under 200 Ms. We prioritize Project Loom over complex reactive programming for practicality. Virtual threads allow you to write simple blocking code that scales to millions of connections, offering debuggable stack traces, eliminating callback hell, and avoiding expensive kernel context switches. Our mentor-led depth covers advanced production topics, and you'll learn resilience by deliberately breaking your systems. Every single one of the 45 lessons is hands-on. Our 2-hour daily cadence is structured to maximize retention: 45 minutes on the core concept, 60 minutes for the implementation lab, and 15 minutes to troubleshoot and break the system. This intensive 5-week program builds deep, lasting, production-ready knowledge. The curriculum is a clear path to hyperscale. It moves weekly from foundational durability and caching to regional scaling with Kafka and observability. You then tackle production hyperscale challenges like celebrity fanout and microservices, followed by deep mathematical optimization and concluding with SRE operations and chaos engineering. The outcomes speak for themselves. This course provides real results: career promotion, deeper technical understanding, and critical production confidence. Students report moving into senior roles quickly and immediately applying concepts like Raft consensus and microservices redesign in their work. Included in the course is everything you need to go from mid-level to production engineer. You receive 45 hands-on lessons, 5 project phases with source code, the Java 2026 stack, architecture diagrams, and chaos engineering labs. The purchase is one time for lifetime access. You can start with 3 free lessons today, with no credit card required. You have 3 paths to start building production systems today. Choose the $199 one-time purchase for lifetime access to this full 45-lesson course and all project phases. Alternatively, subscribe to Pro for $39 per month to access 5 courses, or Pro Max for $99 per month for access to all courses and dedicated support. Start your hands-on journey today. Enroll now for $199 lifetime access to hands-on distributed systems engineering in Java. Or start free with 3 lessons, no credit card required. The engineers who will build the next generation of distributed systems are taking this course right now. Join them.